Kitchen tour! Hi everyone, Ethan here. So today I'm going to show you all our completed project at Jalan Puchong 4, Taman Gaya. So this project, our customer requested a European design for their kitchen cabinet. So let's check out. So as you guys can see, our customer chose a U-shaped European wooden cabinet in white. So we move it here. Our customer chose solid plywood material for the cabinets and C-type handles in golden color. So the communication between white and golden are really pretty because the golden color have enhanced the white in this kitchen. Okay, we move to the tabletop. Okay, for the tabletop, we put cincture stone, include Kalakata Bianco. Because why we suggest to use cincture stone? Because cincture stone has many benefits for scratch resistant, heat resistant, and many more. Okay, so let's see all the accessories in here. So we go to the cutlery tray. Okay, cutlery for fork and spoon, and then here also have dustbin tray. So your kitchen not kinda smiley.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Smelly, okay, smelly. Alright, and then have many cabinets here, under sink, okay. And then here, also we have spice rack, okay, for this customer, yes, spice rack. Okay, after that, okay, look at here, full head cabinet. For before they create a bottom cabinet, but here they create a full head cabinet. Then here have a bigger breakfast pantry, their pantry. Okay, this is space saving because you can put all your things in here in one space, in one place. Okay, you can put your pan, your wood, your rice cooker, and many things in here, and also have a socket plug at there, so it's easy for you to not cooking lah. Something like you can use for electric. Okay, and then here the smaller pocket door. Here also you can save many things. This is called garage appliance lah. You can put many like rice cooker also you can put at here. You can cooking at here, and the wall not go up lah.
Damn!
So, if you guys wondering what size fit for in this kitchen cabinet, it is 10 to 11 for each part. So here is 10 feet, 9 feet, and 11 feet. So if you can guess what price for this kitchen cabinet, you can comment down below, okay?